Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a really handy trick for organizing your files, how to move files from one folder to another based on a list in Excel. Have you ever found yourself with a huge folder of files and a spreadsheet detailing where each file should be located? Manually dragging and dropping each one can take forever. Well, I'm here to show you a much faster, easier, and more efficient way to get it done using Excel and a little bit of command line magic. In this video, we'll walk through preparing your Excel sheet for this task. Creating a simple batch script that reads from your Excel sheet. Executing the script and watching your files magically move. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more time-saving tips and tricks.
Okay, let's get started.
Segment 1. Preparing the Excel sheet.
Alright, first things first, let's get our Excel sheet ready.
You'll need at least 2 columns. Column A, source file. This should contain the full name of the file, including its extension, like .jpg, .pdf, .docs, etc. Make sure the name exactly matches the file in your source folder. Column B, destination folder. This should contain the full path to the destination folder where you want the file to be moved. This should include the drive letter and all the folders leading to the final destination. Visual example on screen. Show an example Excel sheet with at least 5 rows and clear example file names and destination paths.
Asterisk.
For example, in column A you might have image_1.jpg, and in column B, you might have C:\users/your name/documents/images/folder1. Make sure the paths are correct. A typo here will break the whole process. Important note, on screen text always double-check your paths and file names. Segment 2. Creating the batch script. Now for the fun part, the batch script.
Open a text editor like Notepad.
This script will loop through each row of your Excel sheet and execute the move command for each file. Show the following code in the text editor. Emphasize each line while you explain it.
Asterisk.
Batch. At echo off. /f tokens equals 1, 2 delims equals, %% a in type your _excel_ file to CSV do. Echo moving %% a to %b. Move source _folder \% a %b.
Pause.
Let's break down this code. At echo off. This hides the commands from being displayed in the command prompt.
Clear output.
*4/f tokens equals 1, 2 delims equals, %% a in type your _excel_ file to CSV do. This is the heart of the script. It loops through each line of your CSV file. *tokens equals 1, 2. This tells the script to extract the first and second columns from each line. *delims equals comma. This specifies that the columns are separated by commas, because we'll save the Excel as CSV. %% a and %b. These are variables that hold the values from the first and second columns, respectively. %% a will hold the file name, and %% b will hold the destination folder path. Type your _excel_ file.csv. This reads the content of your CSV file. Echo moving %% a to %b. This line displays a message in the command prompt showing which file is being moved to which folder. Very useful for debugging. Move source _folder \% a %b. This is the command that actually moves the file. Source _folder / replace source _folder with the actual path to the folder where the files are currently located. %% a. This is the file name, as read from your CSV. %% b. This is the destination folder path, also from your CSV. Pause. This keeps the command prompt window open after the script finishes, so you can see the results. Important step, on screen text replace your _excel_ file.csv with the actual name of your saved CSV file and replace source _folder with the actual path to your folder containing files to be moved. Segment 3. Saving as CSV and running the script. Before running the script, we need to save your Excel sheet as a CSV file, comma-separated values. In Excel, go to File Save As and choose CSV, delimited, *.csv as the file type. Save it in a location you can easily access. Now, back in your text editor, save the script with a .bat extension. For example, move_files.bat. Make sure you save it as all files, to avoid adding a .txt extension. Finally, to run the script, navigate to the folder where you saved the .bat file in the command prompt. You can do this by typing cd followed by the path to the folder. For example, cdc:\users\yourname\documents\scripts. Once you're in the correct directory, simply type the name of your batch file, move_files.bat, and press enter. Show the command prompt on screen demonstrating navigating to the folder and running the script.
****.
The script will now run, moving your files based on the information in your CSV file.
The command prompt will display the progress as it goes.
If you encounter errors, double-check your file names, paths, and the script itself. Pay close attention to spaces and backslashes. Segment 4, Troubleshooting and Tips. Here are a few common issues and how to solve them. *file not found error*. This usually means the file name in your Excel sheet doesn't exactly match the actual file name, or the source folder path is incorrect. *the system cannot find the path specified. Error*. This usually means the destination folder path in your Excel sheet is incorrect. *script doesn't seem to do anything. *double-check that you replace the placeholder file and folder names in the batch script. *permission issues. You may not have permission to write to a destination folder. Make sure you have appropriate permissions. Consider adding $%b before the move command to create directories that do not exist. Visual cue, show these troubleshooting points as text on screen for a few seconds.
**outro, ***.
And that's it. You've successfully moved files from one folder to another based on a list in Excel. This technique can save you hours of tedious work and is especially useful when dealing with large datasets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more handy tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to roam smartly.